So this is the house I'm selling here in Jacksonville. 10759 Losco Junction Drive. As you guys can see, it's a really nice single family home. Really nice single family home here in Jacksonville. Losco Junction. Driveway, I think it's big enough for 4 cars here. We did a really nice job on the pavers. Something I really like. I think they did a really nice job on the pavers here. So I'm here in Mandarin. This is Constantino, the broker. And this is 10759 Losco Junction Drive here in the heart of Mandarin. So if you guys are in the area, feel free to stop by. Constantino, the broker. I'm also licensed as a mortgage broker with Jack's Mortgage Loans. My NMLS is 206-6119, and my office NMLS is 234-923-9243. Been in the mortgage business for about 25 years now, so lots of information, especially for first-time buyers. There's a lot of myths. There's a lot of myths on social media. So you really need a veteran, seasoned mortgage broker, mortgage loan originator, MLO, whatever you want to call us. So especially if you're a first-time buyer. So feel free to stop by here. And if it's not this house, then I can get you pre-approved for any other house that you're looking for to buy here in the market. Again, my name is Constantino, the broker. Hablo español. Estoy disponible los 7 días de la semana. Más de 25 años en el negocio de los préstamos de casa. Me vine de Miami en el 2018 a Jacksonville, Florida, a Orange Park. Y ya voy a cumplir un tiempo ya aquí en Jacksonville desde el 2018. Bueno, muchas gracias y buen día.